Hello everyone, welcome back to HK Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious, healthy, and flavorful mixed vegetable pulao using simple ingredients that are easily available at home. Let's get started. First, heat oil in a medium flame. Once the oil is hot, add finely sliced onions. Cook until they turn light golden brown. Now add cumin seeds and 1 or 2 bay leaves. Next, add chopped tomatoes and green chilies. Cook them until they become soft. Now it's time to add the vegetables. Add chopped cluster beans, cabbage, and potatoes. Mix everything well. Add salt to taste, followed by garam masala and pulao masala. Mix everything. Now add the washed and soaked rice. Gently mix the rice with the vegetables. Add water. After the rice is fully cooked, switch off the flame. Your delicious mixed vegetable pulao is now ready to serve. Please subscribe to HK Recipes for more tasty recipes. Happy cooking!